Welcome to our React tutorial on creating a layout component. Let's start with the basics. First, we import React from the React package to use its features for building our components. We begin by defining our header component using a functional component structure. This arrow function returns a header tag with an h1 element containing the name of our app. You can also include other elements such as navigation links, logos, and search bars within this header component. Next, we have the footer component, which is similarly structured as a functional component. Inside the footer tag, we provide a copyright notice for the current year. As with the header, feel free to add additional content like social media links, contact information, or any other relevant details to your footer. Now, we create our layout component. This component takes a special prop called children. Children is a placeholder for any content that will be nested inside our layout. The layout is structured with a header at the top, a main tag where the children prop is used to render the page-specific content, and a footer at the bottom. Finally, we export the layout component to use it across our application. Moving on to implementing the layout in a page component. First, we import React, and we also import the layout component we've just created so we can wrap our page's content. Here we have an example of a homepage component. The main content of the homepage is wrapped inside our layout component, making the header and footer visible on this page. Inside the layout, we place a div containing an h2 element with a welcome message. This content can be expanded with additional sections, images, or any other elements that are specific to the homepage. Lastly, we export the homepage component for use in our application.